Hi everyone, I'm Lauren and I am so excited to share with you our G&G Sewing Society kits, our first ones for 2025. So this month we have two kits. We have got the Jalie Patterns Karine Cardigan and the Sew Liberated Limestone Leggings set, which is a pair of leggings and a top as well. So let's cover the leggings first. This has been a much requested type of kit, and at this time of year, maybe when you've got new intentions about the year ahead and being a little bit more active, this might just be the motivation that you need to keep going. This gorgeous activewear set with this super stretchy fabric, it is really comfy. So there's a mixture of nice bright patterned fabrics in plain as well, so you can do some really nice colour blocking. There's three different choices. So the one I've got on is the purple hearts, and it comes with this lovely patterned heart fabric, and then you've got the plain purple fabric that you can use as a contrast down the side panel of the leggings, and then you can also add it as binding around the neckline and the armholes as well if you wanted to. Then we have got the abstract floral, which is really lovely, and it comes with this gorgeous nice pale blue colour too. And then if you're looking for something a little bit more subtle, then we've also got a plain option as well. So this gorgeous deep petrol colour with a really lovely contrasting green. So inside the kit you have got all of the special elastics, the Mariflex thread and the super stretch needles to set you up for sewing success. And in my top tips video that comes with the kit, I'll be explaining everything you need to know to make sure it goes smoothly for you and that you don't have any seams popping open. So I always love to add a little extra bonus to my top tips videos that goes in the kit that isn't included in the pattern as standard. And for the Limestone Leggings set, we have got two additions that you can do to your pattern. So the first one is to lengthen it. The top of the pattern comes out quite cropped, and it might be that you actually want it to be a little bit longer. So in the video I show you how to use either a t-shirt pattern or an actual t-shirt that you already have in order to be able to lengthen it to the right size, and obviously we have included enough fabric in the kit for you to be able to do that. The other option that we also cover in the video too is how to add binding around the neckline and the armholes, and this is just another place to add in some lovely contrast with that coordinating fabric, and it gives a really lovely neat professional finish round the top as well. The fabric feels really nice and sturdy and supportive. It's got a really high elastane content, so it does make it super stretchy. It's so comfortable to wear and move around in. So whether you are going to a yoga or Pilates class, maybe nipping out for a run or jumping on the bike, this fabric will definitely be able to have you covered as it doesn't go opaque when it's stretched. There are two size ranges to choose from in this kit. So there's the US 0 to 24 and then also the US 22 to 34. So all of the details and the sizing charts and everything that's included in the kit is in the listings for the kit, and the links to that are going to be in your email and also in the description to this video. So the second kit is the Jalie Patterns Karine Cardigan, which basically feels like you are wearing a hug. It is so snuggly and cozy, and the fabric that we have chosen for this kit is a viscose blended fabric. It's got a really lovely subtle ribbed texture to it. It's nice and drapey, which really suits the oversized style of this type of garment. The raglan sleeves are really nice and easy to construct, and it's a great one if you're looking to build up a capsule wardrobe of handmade garments that are really nice and easy to mix and match. It'd pair really lovely over little tops that you might have. So we've sourced these gorgeous buttons for the kit that complement each colourway really nicely, and in my top tips video for this kit, as a bonus, I show you how to add a cuff onto the sleeve hem, and then also how to use stretch fix to get really lovely nice neat hems at the bottom, and also how to sew on your patch pocket and get a lovely flat clean professional finish that you'll feel really proud of. So we have two size ranges of this kit as well. We've got the US 4 to 24 and the US 20 to 36. Again, the full details of that are all in the listings, and the links to that are in the newsletter and also the description to this video. Both of these projects are great if you have sewn simple stretch garments before, and all of my tips will really give you the confidence that you need to complete these projects and also apply skills onto future projects as well. So I hope you're inspired to give these kits a go, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on my next video. And remember, the links to all of the kits are in your email and also in the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our email already, then the link to subscribe to that as well is in the description. We release 2 brand new kits every month, and we have got so many exciting plans for 2025. So I can't wait to share them with you, and I can't wait to see what you make. So I will see you very soon. Bye.